We made $75,000 in the last 30 days with this target market research technique. Hello everyone, I am Manoj Bashal, and today in this video, I'm gonna talk about how we did $75,000 in the last 30 days with this target market research technique. Let's get started. It's basically about finding who your target audience are, who your target customers are, like who you are targeting and who you want to wear your brands. So basically you need to understand their demographics, like age, gender, location, where they are based, like their income level, their interests, their behaviors, how they behave, like their purchasing decisions. You need to understand their psychology. Like when you understand their thinking process, your target customers think like this, then it means like it might be easier for you to go through the angles that resonates with the customers.
Obviously, some people already have some kind of data from their customers in this game already, and someone who's new don't even know how to get the data. What would be the best way to go about finding out who your market is when you're just starting out as a fashion brand compared to someone who's already been in the game for a while and they have gathered some small data?
First of all, you need to know like how you want to represent your brand, like how you want your audience to perceive your brand. And when you have the clear understanding of that thing, then it would be much more easier to figure out who your customers or who your target audience might be. And to figure out the target market and stuff, like first of all you need to understand like for whom you're creating the products. And when you understand that and you create the product, then like you need to be able to find out the targetings that you want to target. For example, if you're doing Facebook ads, if you want to target your audience through Facebook ads, there are like a lot of targeting options, but you need to be aware about like what kind of audience you want to target. When you already have the idea in your mind, then it would be much more easier to figure out the targeting. For example, if you know the competitors whom target audience like is same as yours, then what you can do is basically you can like see their ad, or maybe like when you interact on the internet like regarding fashion brand, or like when you search for fashion brand and like visit some website, you'll be retargeted with a lot of ads. And when you see the ads, like there is the three dots, and like when you click there, like in the ads in the three dot, there is the section called why am I seeing this ad. And when you click that button, then like Meta will show you why actually you're getting that ad. It will show you the interest that your competitors are targeting. There it will also show the age, gender, even location. We can even see like which language their target audience speaks. So if you really do the research, like competitor research around this, then it would be much more easier to find your targeting. And it is one of the best way to steal the customer from your competitors as well. When you create different offers, or like better offers, better product, and when you have a great story to sell, when you have a great brand presence to sell, then your competitors customers will prefer to buy from your brand as well.
How would you go about this kind of, I would say, mindset objection of some fashion brand owners? Because we are in a very creative space. Fashion is a very creative game where a lot of fashion brand owners have this kind of mindset of they don't have any kind of competitor because their designs are very unique. What would you tell them? How would you go about explaining to those type of fashion brand owners that think that, oh, I don't have any kind of competitor because my designs are unique?
Yeah, like in some sense it's true that like you don't have competitors. For example, like you have your own brand, and like people might look at your brand that way as well. But at the same time, the same customer would buy from two different brands. Even in your real life, you're not only like buying from one single brand like in your entire life, right? And there is the audience segment that you can target like as your competitors are doing. But you need to figure out your unique way of branding yourself, how you want to showcase yourself to the customers. That's very different.
So would you just say that already tackling this objection would be understanding that if you're a fashion brand in the, let's say, streetwear space, you're not only the streetwear brand, right? Obviously your designs are cool, but you are still in under umbrella of streetwear, which means, and how many streetwear brands are out there, those are your competitors, right? You're not competing on the base of the uniqueness of your designs. You're competing on the base of the consumers being interested in very similar things of different brands. That's what you're competing at. So you're not essentially unique in that way, but yes, your designs are unique.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. I really appreciate your support. And if you have got any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments. You can also reach out to me on social media. I'm always active there. And if you own an e-commerce brand and want to grow and scale your business, book a growth call with me. The link is in the description. We will help you get 7 to 10 ROAS within 90 days, or we don't get paid. It's a guaranteed offer, guys. You can't miss.
or even if we are not a good fit, that's not a problem. Like, we won't push you to buy our stuff, we'll just have a casual conversation, and I guarantee that we will give you the value that you can implement right away in your e-commerce business even if we don't work together. If you think it sounds like a plan, book a call with me.